Okay, so a farm has 15 sheep, 21 cows, 24 pigs and 18 horses in a paddock. Show that if 5 animals are picked, you can be certain that at least 2 of them are the same animal. Okay, so what are our choices? Our choices are, so let's have a look at that. We have sheep, so that's one, we could do sheep. We have cows, so that's your cows. We could choose pigs, or we could choose horses. So if we chose one of each type of animal, then we'd only have to choose one more, and one of those, there'd be at least 2 of the same animal, whether it's 2 horses, 2 pigs, 2 cows, or 2 sheep. I'd be certain that there'd be at least 2 of that animal. So to prove it, I would draw the pictures. You have 4 choices times 1, which is 4, and then you add 1 more, so that means you'd have to pick 5 for that to happen. And that's basically how you prove it. Okay, so what if I, instead of saying at least 5, what if we said to show that if, let me go 3 times 4, so that if 13 animals were chosen, then you could be certain that at least, there's 4 choices, at least 4 of them are the same animal. Okay, so here we go. How many different animals do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have sheep, cows, pigs, horses. So we have 4 different type of animals. All right, so if we want to be guaranteed that at least 4 of them are sheep, if I took 4 minus 1 is 3, that means that if you pick, so you pick 3 of each animal, okay, then that would be 3 times 4, which is 12, because you do the 3 times the number of choices. And then if you add 1 more, that would be 13. So if you pick 13, you could be certain that at least 4 of them would be the same animal, because you'd add 1 more animal into the other one. Okay, so let's just say that we show that if you pick 5 cards from a pack of cards, then at least 2 are the same suit. So you go hearts, diamonds, spades, clubs. Okay, so I'm going to choose 5 cards. So that means if I chose 1 of each suit, okay, because 2 minus 1 is 1. If I chose 1 of each suit, then that would be 4 lots of 1. And then if you picked 1 more, you will be certain, which equals 5, you'll be certain that you'll pick 1 of the other suits. So if you might pick 1 more heart. And that's all you need to do your working. Pick 2 of the same suit. That's basically what you're doing. So show that if you pick 21 cards, you could be certain that you have 6 of the same suit. So you have 4 choices: spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. 6 take away 1 is 5. So you put 5, you get 5 of each type. So if I chose 5 of each type, I would choose 20 cards, and all I need to do is pick 1 more, which makes 21 cards, to be certain I would have at least, be certain that I have at least 6 of the same suit. Because in each thing I have 5, and 5 plus 1 will give you 6. And also 5 lots of 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So prove that if you have 400 people, then there would be at least 2 with the same birthday. Okay, so you take the 400 people, and we know there are 365 plus 1, which is 366 different birthdays in a year. because the plus one's for the leap year. Okay, so if you look at that, we have 366. So if we have 400 people and we take away the 366, we actually have 400 minus 366. There's actually 34 left over. Okay, so if you have 366 different birthdays, okay, and you have one from each birthday, then all you'd have to do is choose one more person and you can be certain they'd have the same birthday as one of the other 366 days. So it's 366 plus 1, which is 367. This is less than 400. Therefore, we can be certain that if we have 400 people, at least 2 of them have the same birthday.